We're at Rycroft School in Derbyshire doing our Maths Carousel programme. Today we're working with 100 students of Key Stage 3. All of them have been split down into smaller groups for a 2-hour workshop today. The Maths Carousel has 32 different activities. Each has their own individual board, so it has its own picture, it has its own name and title and number, and on the back of the board it's got all the instructions that the students need. The great benefit of this is they don't need a teacher to be travelling around with them. They're able to read and understand the instructions, progress through at their own pace, and it's that understanding of mathematics is really important. If they can understand what they're doing, they can progress through using their problem-solving skills. Set challenges are at different difficulty levels, so we have easy, we have medium and we have hard. Each containing different amount of points, so easy they get 5 points, medium they get 10 points and hard they get 20 points. Maths Carousel is so great for such a wide variety of students. It allows them to take part, doesn't matter whether they're low or high ability, because they're using their problem solving skills, their logical thinking. They're able to work through all the challenges and have a go at everything. It's a great day, it offers fun, exciting maths, it's different to what all the students might have seen before, it allows everybody to take part, and it's developing mathematics in school in a new, exciting, fun way. It's great when they come and say thank you at the end. They've really enjoyed the session, they learned something that they didn't know. It opens their eyes to maths in a different way, and that makes me grateful for the job that I do.